Fubara don tell im pipo say no sacrifice too big for peace for Rivers State. Welcome country pipo to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring as we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Siminalayi Fubara, the suspended governor of Rivers, he don talk say no sacrifice too big to ensure say peace, stability and progress return to Rivers State. On Thursday, Fubara and Nyesom Wike, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, they attend one late night peace meeting when President Bola Tinubu host for the presidential villa for Abuja. For that meeting, the president succeed to reconcile Minister Wike and Fubara, and also Fubara with Martins and Mewule and the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. At the end, all of them come do meeting together where they reach conclusive agreement according to Wike, and they take pictures together and they escort themselves out of the presidential villa together. On Saturday, Lewe Olayinka, the minister spokesperson, he come share for one X post say Wike and Fubara they dey Port Harcourt, the state capital, to attend the burial of the FCT minister uncle. For the pictures, you go see say Fubara dey there, Wike dey there, and also Martins and Mewule dey there. That picture, it create a beautiful optics, make people know say the peace when they reach on Thursday for Abuja, the peace they validate am now. Say this time not be wayo peace like Wike describe am before. Now Fubara dey speak to his supporters some hours later, because some of them don dey wonder wetin come dey happen to their principal wey they don carry the battle for their head to fight on inside. But e come be like say him dey tell them say no, not be fight dey take dey solve everything. Now e dey address them, e dey reassure them say in recent reconciliation with Wike, e say e make am with the collective interest of Rivers people for mind. He acknowledge the disappointment and anxiety when e dey among some of im loyalists over the peace day. Na there e come talk say difficult times e require difficult decisions. The suspended governor come admit say the new political realities e go dey hard to accept, especially for those wey e stand by am through the crisis. But e come talk say the ultimate goal na peace and stability for the state. According to Fubara, he say we don fight, and I think in my own assessment and in the assessment of anyone here, when e dey genuine for this struggle, una go know say we don do wetin we need to do. He say at that point, if you want to dey truthful to yourself, the only solution na peace. I talk am say no price dey too big to pay for peace, and I mean am, and I still dey ready to follow am to the end. He say nobody go fit take away the role the FCT minister Chief Nyesom Wike play. Say na the truth be that. He say yes, we get our differences. He say but nobody for here go talk say he no know the role when he play. He say nobody go fit wish away the risk when Wike take. Yes, he say at a point we get our differences. And if today need come for us to settle, say please, anybody when e genuinely believe in am, make dem understand say na the right thing to do. Na there e come talk. So my dear fathers, brothers and sisters, no matter the level of peace one mediator go arrange, e say the true peace na the one where both of you una sit down together to say yes, this na wetin we want. Fubara come talk say the political crisis e don delay several development projects wey e dey across Rivers State, but e come express e optimism. E say with the reconciliation, e say there go be speed for project implementation. E say not be even about am as a person, e say na about the overall interest of the state. E say in the midst of the problem wey e dey between him and the FCT minister, e say see the projects wey dem start, many of them don dey abandoned. E say dem know the progress wey dem don record and the areas wey dem for don develop, so need dey for this peace. E say and na the truth be that. Na there e come assure dem say e no go fit abandon im people. E say that na one thing wey e need to talk for there. E say this na the time for him to prove to dem say e care for dem, and im dey make im commitment for there, say whichever way the matter go, e no go abandon anybody. E say but the sacrifices wey dem go make for dem to achieve this total peace, e say e go dey very heavy, and e want everybody to prepare for am. Country people, this na the statement wey the suspended governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, take talk to im people on Saturday to reassure them, because many don dey complain say na only one dey waka dey enter into these peace meetings dem, whereas Wike and his supporters na dey at ten d. But now dey reassure them say the waka na for their own good. But one thing they go know, say no matter how im waka alone, that e no go abandon them. That this peace process na wetin don dey necessary, and na for the good of Rivers State, and also all im supporters wey e don stand with am, even though some of them don dey disappointed with the way things dey turn out. E say im dey assure them say e no go abandon anyone. This na vintage peacemaker, and this na the best talk wey e go fit tell im people. If truly they care for the man like im don tell them, make dem see am say na one sacrifice themselves need to pay to make this peace come to be for Rivers State, so that at the end both Fubara themselves and the Wike group go work together.